Today I shall start exercise 5.2 arithmetic progression. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Given that A is the first term, D is the common difference and AN is the nth term of the AP. Now, first question, A equal to 7, D equal to 3, N equal to 8 and N you have to find out. I have done a formula AN equal to, that is nth term of an AP, equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So now put the given values. 7 plus 8 minus 1 into 3. So 7 plus 21, because 8 minus 1 7, 7 3s are 21 and answer is 28. Okay, very simple solution. Now next question. For all the maths, formula is same. Only you have to put the values. A equal to minus 18, N equal to 10, An equal to 0 and you have to find out D, that is common difference. Let An equal to 0, it is given. And write the formula of N. A1 plus A or A1, same thing. A means first term, A1 is also first term. A plus N minus 1 into D equal to 0. Now I have put the values. Minus 18 plus 10 minus 1 into D equal to 0. So 10 minus 1, 9D equal to minus 18 is 18 in this side. So D equal to 2 answer. And now next question. D equal to minus 3, N equal to 18, N equal to minus 5 and A is to be defined. Now again N equal to minus 5. Now you put the formula of N. A plus N minus 1 into D equal to minus 5. So A plus 18 minus 1 into minus 3 equal to minus 5. When the value of D is negative, always keep in bracket. Okay. Now A plus 17 into minus 3 equal to minus 5 and A plus minus 17 3s are 51 equal to minus 5 and A equal to minus 5 plus 51, that is 46 answer. Now next, A equal to minus 18.9, D equal to 2.5, AN equal to 3.6 and N equal to question mark. Fill up the blanks. N is to be defined. N equal to 3.6. Now write the formula of N. A plus N minus 1 into D equal to 3.6. So put the values. Minus 18.9 plus N minus 1 into D. In place of D you write the values of D. 2.5 equal to 3.6. Now N minus 1 into 2.5 equal to 3.6 and this minus will come here as plus 18.9. Now after adding you will get 22.5. Now 22.5 is divisible by 2.5 and after division you will get 9. After point there is one digit, so point cancel and 25 9 is 225, so here 9 and N equal to 9 plus 1 10. Okay. Now next, A equal to 3.5, D equal to 0, N equal to 105 and N is to be defined. Write the formula of N. N equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So put the values. 3.5 plus 105 minus 1 into 0. Now 3.5 plus 0, because any digit when multiplied by 0 get the result 0. So answer is 3.5. Okay. Now question number 2. Choose the correct choice. 30th term of an AP. AP is 10, 7, 4, ... is going on. And you have to find out the 30th term. Now here, A1 equal to 10, A2 equal to 7. So at first you take out D. D equal to A2 minus A1. That is 7 minus 10 minus 3. Okay, D equal to minus 3. Now An equal to, write the formula A plus N minus 1 into D. I have written one time the formula. Now A30 equal to, in place of a value is 10, so 10 plus n equal to 30, so 30 minus 1 and d equal to minus 3. So I have written it within bracket. Okay, now 10 plus 29 into minus 3, what we get? Minus 87. So 10 minus 87 minus 77. So minus 77 is the option C. So I have written here option C. Okay. Now next question. 11th term of the AP minus 3 comma minus half comma 2 is, what will be? 11th term you have to take out. Same process. D equal to A2 minus A1 I have written directly. So A2 is minus half minus minus 3. Both are negative. So I have written it within bracket. Then minus half minus minus plus 3. Now 3 minus half, what we get? 5 by 2. Okay. Now n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the general formula of nth term. Now put the value n equal to 11. So a11 equal to minus 3 plus 11 minus 1 into 5 by 2. So minus 3 plus, after subtraction we get 10. 10 into 5 by 2. Now 2 5 ja 10. So 5 5 ja 25. Minus 3 plus 25, that is 22 is the answer. Okay. Now come to the question number 3. In the following AP, find the missing term. First question is 2, then it is a box and then 26. Now look how I have done it. This is quite different. A1, A2, A3. Okay, this is A1. A1 is given 2 and 1, 2, 3 and A3 is given 26. So you break the A3. A3 means A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Yeah, or directly A plus 2D you write down, because 3 minus 1 into D equal to 26. In place of A1 you write 2. 2 plus 2D equal to 26. So 2D equal to, after subtraction we will get 24 and D equal to 12. 12 to the 24. So now A2 you have to find out in the box. So A2 equal to A1 plus D. So 2 plus 12, that is 14. Now you fill the box. Okay, 14. Now next question. My box comma again 13 comma box comma 3. Here there are two boxes, means to fill up the blanks, and what are given? A2 and A4. So listen, A2 equal to 13 and A4 equal to 3. These are given. Now you break A2. A2 means A1 plus D equal to 13 and A4 means A1 plus 4 minus 1, that is 3D equal to 3. So you write the two equations, and by the method of elimination you take out the value of A and D. Okay. Now plus minus cancel. Both are positive. So after subtraction you cancel A1 A1. Now you change the sign. So minus 3D is greater and before 3D there is minus sign. So I put here minus, and minus plus minus. So here 2D. And here 13 and 3, which is greater? 13. And before 13 there is plus sign, and plus minus minus. 13 minus 3, 10. So D equal to minus 5. Now putting the value of D in equation 1 or equation 2, any equation. Now you put the values of D in equation 1. Okay. Now A1 equal to 13 and plus minus, this minus will come here as plus. So A1 equal to 13 plus 5, 18. Okay. Now here question is A3, A1 and A3 both are fill in the blanks. So A1 I have got, now A3 equal to A1 plus 2D. So 18 which I have got, 18 plus 2 into minus 5. So 18 minus 10, 8. Okay. Now these two values you write in the box. Okay. Now next question. 5 comma box comma 9.5 means there are two fill up the blank. Now here A1 is given and A4 is given, and you have to find out A2 and A3. Now listen, A1 equal to 5 and A4 equal to 9.5. Now break the mixed fraction into fraction, that is 19 by 2. Now A1 plus 3D, this is A1, and now break up this A4. A4 means A1 plus 3D equal to 19 by 2. Now in place of A1 you write the values, which is 5. 5 plus 3D equal to 19 by 2. So 3D equal to 19 by 2 minus 5. So after calculation, at first you take out the LCM 2, and here 19 and 2 5 are 10. So 9 by 2. Now listen, 9 is divisible by 3. So D equal to 3 by 2, because 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now D I have got. You have to take out A2 and A3. A2 equal to A1 plus D. Now you put the values only. 5 plus 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 1.5. You directly can add 5 plus 1.5. So 6.5. And A3 equal to A1 plus 2D. A3 equal to, okay, A3 equal to A1 plus 2D. So 5 plus 2 into 3 by 2. These two cancel. So 5 plus 3, 8. Okay. Now another question. Minus 4, then box, and last digit 6. So A1 equal to minus 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So A6 equal to 6. Now listen. A1 is given. You break the A6. A6 means A1 plus 6 minus 1, 5D equal to 6. Now you put the values of A1 minus 4 plus 5D equal to 6. So 5D equal to 6 minus 4 will come here as plus 6, that is 10. And D equal to 5 2 is 10. So D equal to 2. Now you have to take out A2, A3, A4, A5. At first you write the formula. A2 means A1 plus D. So now put the values of A and D. So that will be minus 2. A3 equal to A1 plus 2D. So A equal to minus 4 plus 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4. So minus 4 plus 4, 0. Now A4. A1 plus 3D. Minus 4 plus 3, 2 is 6. So 6 minus 4, 2. And A5 equal to A1 plus 4D. Minus 4 plus 4 into 2. 8. 8 minus 4, 4. Okay. Now you put the values what you have got in the box. Okay. Now next question. There is box, then 38. Then is box, and minus 22. So here A2 is given 32, 38. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A6 is given minus 22. Now you break up. A2 means A1 plus D equal to 38, equation number 1. A6 means A1 plus 5D equal to minus 22. Now you change the sign and cancel A1. Okay. Now here will be sign changed. Here plus, so it will be minus. Here is minus, so it will be plus. Now 5 is greater. So before 5 there is minus. You use this sign, not middle sign. Okay, and you put the minus, and minus plus minus. 4D equal to 38 and 22. 38 is greater, and before 38 there is plus, and plus. So 38 plus 22, 60. So D equal to minus 15, because 4 15 is 60. Now putting D in equation 1, you write the value of D in equation 1. So A1 equal to 38 plus 15, 53. Okay. Now what are the values we have to take out? A1, A3, A4, A5. A1 you have got 53. Now A3. A1 plus 2D. A2 is given. So A3 you have to take out. A3 equal to A1 plus 2D. 53 plus 2 into minus 15. That is minus 30, and after subtraction we will get 23. A4 equal to A1 plus 3D. Now put the values and get the answer 8. And A5 equal to A1 plus 4D. So put the values of A and D and get the answer minus 7. Okay.